The next section is on word problems involving proportions. So we're going to be given a word problem and we need to set up our own proportion and then solve it. So we kind of have a template here. The label or the available medicine I'm going to put on the left, and then the order I'm going to put on the right. And there's a couple different identifiers for the label or the available medicine, and that would be the words per, or contains, or sometimes just a slash. And there's a couple others, but these are the main ones. And these will help you identify the label or the available medicine. So it says, use a proportion to set up each of the following problems. Show your proportion and round your final answer to the nearest tenth. A drug label reads 100 milligrams per 2 milliliters. The medication order is for 130 milligrams. How many milliliters must you prepare? So I'm kind of looking for these words, and I see per right here. So this is my available medicine. This is my label. So 100 milligrams over 2 milliliters. And then I'm going to set that equal to the order. And the order is for 130 milligrams. Now the 130 I need to put on the right, and I need to put it on the top. And this is because my units need to match. So the units must match. And then I'm going to put an X on the bottom. So then I want to solve this, and I multiply the diagonal that does not have the X. So this is 2 times 130, and then divide it by the other number, which is 100. And 2 times 130 divided by 100, and we get 2.6. So this will be 2.6, and because it's on the bottom, we need to match our units with the other bottom, so that will be milliliters.